Morning, children. Children, in this class, we know about the plants. Plants grow everywhere. Plants, what? We know that plants needs air, water, soil and sunlight to grow. Children, you know plants have many parts. Each part of a plant has its own uses. Children, in this picture you see leaf, fruit, flower, stem and root. Let's learn about it. Children, you see flower. Flowers are the most beautiful and most colorful part of the plant. You see leaves. Leaves make food for the plant. Then you see the fruit. A flower grows into fruit. Children, you see stem. Stem gives support to plant. It carries food and water to all other parts of the plants. Children, you see roots. Roots grow under the soil. They hold the plant in the soil and take water from the soil. Children, you see two systems, shoot system and root system. In shoot system, you see flower, leaf, fruit, stem, and in root systems only you see the root. Children, flower helps in the production, leaf performs photosynthesis, fruit protects the seeds and the stem supports the plant, and root absorbs water and minerals. Children, in this class we also classify the plants. Plants are classified by the nature and the place where they grow. Children, classification based on their nature and the place where they grow. The nature means these are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Place where they grow. Different plants grow in different forms of land. Children, in farms, field, water, desert, mountain. Children, you see, this is rice. Some plants grow in farms and fields. Example, rice. Then you see wheat and also see the vegetables. Children, grow in farms and fields. These are. Then you see, children, some plants grow in water. Example, lotus. Here also another example, water lily and water hyacinth. Children, you see in pond. Okay. Then you see, children, some plants grow in deserts. Example, cactus. And you see here also palm tree. Children, some plants grow on mountains. Example, pine tree, chaparral tree. And children, plants gives us shade. Children, you see, plants are useful for us, giving shade, giving fruits and vegetables. Children, plant gives food, fruits and vegetables to all living beings. And you see, plants give shelter to birds and animals. Children, here also plants gives us what? Paper. Then plant gives us wood to make furniture. Children, plant gives us medicines. And most important thing is plant gives us oxygen. And here you see cotton. Plant also give us oxygen, which is essential for life. Children, you see here oxygen. Okay, oxygen comes from plants. So what you do? We plant a tree and get oxygen free. Thank you.